Hey guys, welcome back to Green Tea Garden. Do you ever wonder why you're losing zucchini? You know, your plant look healthy, the leaves looks good. You're doing everything by the books, but you're seeing your zucchini rotten on the bottom, falling off from the vine, and they're not even growing. And then you're getting discouraged from it. So guys, I'm going to tell you the two main reason why your zucchini is dying and how to stop them really fast, guys. And I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this problem right now. First of all, I want to show you guys I do have a bunch of squash and zucchini plants, so I know exactly what are you guys going through. So guys, a quick thing to let you know, that's not powder mildew, it's just a different variety. This is a 5-gallon container. Now you could have this problem either if you plant your plant in a container or you plant it in the ground. As you can see in this plant, this one here is yellow right here. It's gonna be rotten. It's already getting a little softer, and it stopped right there. And then we come around the plant. I have some new one there. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm spinning 1 second. I want to show you guys something before. Now, as you see right there, I have a big one coming up right there. So that big one is not rotten in at the bottom. It's not looking yellow. It's looking green, and it's growing. So that looks really good. If that big one is growing on the back there, how come this one didn't grow? Now, as I told you, two main reasons. One is could be lack of calcium. If your plant don't have enough calcium, guys, you could have problem like this. Definitely. So you could always add calcium. Some people use eggshell. Some people use lime, garden lime, and it will boost up your calcium. Eggshell takes a longer time to compost, guys. Now, in this case, I know it's not calcium. This is not a calcium problem. I already have fresh soil, I have compost, I put green grass clippings. I know my calcium on my soil. I just added on new soil on top of it. So I know my soil is rich. Everything is good in my soil. The only thing is pollinated. This one did not get pollinated. And you may wonder like how it didn't get pollinated or why. The reason why too, I had so much leaves at the bottom here, and sometimes the bees don't even get through it because you have so much leaves, it's hard to the bees to get in. Or sometimes that bee doesn't come within that couple days and it wouldn't pollinate it. So that's a problem. So that's why, guys, that's why I pruned most of it, guys. And I came out yesterday morning and I hand pollinate some of them to make sure that I'm not gonna lose this. So if you know you have calcium, you have rich soil, and your soil is good, guys, and this is getting a problem, is pollinated. Come out in the morning time. That's when your flower is gonna open up. So your male flower is this little skinny stem coming up with a flower. Just get in there with your Q-tip, get some, and then pollinate it, guys. I'll show you in my other video, end of the video, I'll show you how to pollinate it and how to prune your squash or zucchini plant. You could leave it on, right? You could leave it on, but I don't want the plant to waste any energy in this, guys, or anything. So I'll just come and cut it out. I toss it at the back of me. Other animal could eat it, insect or whatever could eat it. So guys, by me cutting this one out, now I'm gonna prune this leaf here. This leaf right here has no value at the bottom for me right now. All my zucchini's up top. So instead of any energy running here, I'll just cut this out and get rid of that. So now my energy, and if you guys see right here, this was a male flower. It's already did its job and it's done. I'll cut it out. What you guys should do, come out early in the morning. I would say like 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, guys. Or if you're early bird like me and my daughter, you come out 6 o'clock. What do? Come out early in the morning and look around in your garden next to all the flowers that open. Just sit back and see if you see any bees, any sign of bees. And if you don't see any sign of bees, guys, the problem, because you need bees to do the job for you. And it's easy when the bee does it, and I feel like it's better, you know. You don't have to hand pollinate or do anything. The bees will just pollinate everything for you. But if you don't have bees and you really need your fruit, you have to hand pollinate, guys. Hand pollinate. Make sure your plant is rich in calcium, guys, and make sure you hand pollinate so you wouldn't have this problem, guys. I have a lot of plants right now. I do not get up every morning and hand pollinate or anything like that, guys. So that's why I end up having the problem. And I'm actually okay if I have this problem, because it's good. I get to share it with you guys so you guys avoid this problem. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching Green Tea Garden. I'll leave the 2 videos at the end. You guys could check it out, how to prune your plant and how to hand pollinate. Guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. It's 100% free. Click the bell icon. Every time I upload a new video, you will get it right away, guys. And thank you everyone for supporting and watching Green Tea Garden. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you have some awesome tips and you want to share it to guys, share it. I love it, and then everyone who read it will benefit from it, so we're all helping each other out. And thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget guys, like, subscribe, comment, share guys. I'll see you guys next time.